Okay, about somewhere, I don't know, 2 months since I started my YouTube channel, my bulking has been going downwards because I just don't have enough time. I've been focusing on the YouTube. I also have school and I have gym, so I really don't have much time in my day. Therefore, I kind of left out my bulking and I've been stuck on 80 kilograms for like 2 or 3 months now. So I decided that it's time to change that. I have to be bulking so I can gain weight, so I can gain muscle. It's been stunting my progress at the gym, so it was time to change it. And I took it into my hands and I decided to start implementing things to work with the bulk even though I don't have that much time. I started implementing tricks, I started thinking of things and ways that I can do this even though I don't have much time. I'm pretty successful so far. Since I decided that I'm going to start bulking again, I take in all the calories that I need every single day. So therefore, if you've been stuck on a weight too for some time, then this might be the video that you need to watch. This can help you. And even if you're just starting to bulk, these are tips that can help you a lot along the way. So let's rewind a little bit. To build muscle, you need to bulk. Bulking means that you're eating more than you're burning, so you're taking in a lot of calories and you're gaining weight, but not fat, you're gaining muscle mass. If you're just starting to bulk and you're not sure what to do and how to start it and how many calories you need to eat, I actually made a video explaining exactly how to start gym, and there is a step-by-step exact guide on how to start bulking, everything you need. You can watch that video over here on a card. Then I'll also put a link in the description. Okay, now that you got the concept of bulking and you need to figure out how to actually balance your school and everything with the bulk, this video is gonna be about that. So here are 4 tips on how to manage a bulk. The first one is going to be that you need to have multiple breakfasts, so more than one breakfast. That can be 2 or 3. I just found that in the morning when I wake up, it is way easier for me to eat a lot than if I was just like about to go to sleep. And also, side note, it's not a good idea to eat right before bed because you're not gonna be able to fall asleep. So you have limited time in which you can eat. So eating a lot in the morning is a good idea. So I've been going pretty extreme on this. I've been actually taking in like 1,500 calories in the morning. So before noon, I already took in like 1,050 calories, and that's a lot. You might not want to do that much depending on how much calories you have in your diet, but I think it's a really good idea to take in a lot of calories for breakfast. If you have school in the morning, then you will need to prepare meals for school. Like you can buy little boxes and then put eggs in those boxes, put oatmeal in those boxes, put nuts and dry fruit in those boxes, take a banana with you. You can think of a lot of foods that you can take in boxes with you to school. Tip number 2 is gonna be protein shakes. The protein shakes are really useful. You need to buy like a bag of protein powder and then mix it with milk. That's all you need. A scoop of protein powder with like around 400 to 500 milliliters of milk. Buy a shake bottle and then put everything in that, shake it. You can, if you have a mixer, you can add like a banana into that or something, but protein shakes have a lot of calories, and of those calories, it's a lot of protein, which is important. Protein shakes are a very good weapon for bulking. I take 2 a day. You can take 1 a day, it's cool also, but depending on how much calories you need and how much protein you need, it might be good for you to take 2 a day too. Tip number 3 is have like a go-to snack. Have some food that is like very easy to prepare. Like ideally you can just take it and eat it straight away. You don't have to prepare it, but if you do have to prepare it, then make it something easy, and it should be something that has a lot of calories and is healthy. So those are 3 criteria for a go-to snack. And if you're lacking some calories and you need to take in some calories quick, then the go-to snack is gonna be perfect. For example, I think a really good go-to snack would be a banana. A banana has like more than 100 calories and it's healthy, and you can literally take it anywhere. You can have it anywhere, you can eat it. Like you don't have to prepare it, you just peel it and eat it. So it's a really good go-to snack. It's a really good weapon for bulking. Therefore, you should have bananas at your home, or whatever go-to snack that you want to. Just research a little bit, figure something out. I actually made a video about a bunch of easy foods that you can eat for bulking that have a lot of calories, that are healthy, and that you can prepare simply. If you want to watch that video, it's gonna be in a card over there, and I'm also gonna put the link in the description. And the 4th tip that I have for bulking is to have at least one big meal a day. So one big meal would be like, meat and potatoes, rice and fish, something that has a lot of calories, like a big meal, you know, like a big lunch or big dinner, at least one a day, paired with the 2 breakfasts or 3 breakfasts, paired with the snacks that you take in, paired with the protein shakes. Also have that one big meal a day. And that's how to bulk when you don't have that much time. These are 4 tips. I hope they help you. They certainly did help me. I'm doing pretty good with my bulk right now. As I said, it wasn't like that before I implemented these steps. So again, I hope that helped. That's all I had to say for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more, there's a lot of videos on my channel. If you want to watch one straight away, you can watch this one. And if you're liking me and my content, you might want to subscribe. That's a win-win for both of us. It will help you because it will give you a lot of information on self-improvement, and it will help me grow my channel. So if you want to do it, that's all I had to say. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.